Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to access bookmarks on X. Okay, so it's very simple. First of all, open X and you want to tap your profile picture, which is located in the top left corner of your screen. Now, in this side menu that you have just opened, you want to find a section bookmarks. And we are here. This is the page where you can see different posts that you have ever saved to your bookmarks section. And they are organized chronologically, and that means that the most recently saved will be displayed at the top. So that's basically how you can access your bookmarks on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.